Hey guys, Gregory here. Today's lesson is going to be on swing rhythms or shuffle rhythms as they are also called. We're going to learn about what they are, how to identify them in songs, and of course, how you can use them in your own playing. Let's go. So from here on out, for my own sake, I'm just going to be using the term swing or swing rhythm. But bear in mind, it can also be called a shuffle rhythm. And why is it important for us to learn swing? Well, the main reason is because it just exists in many songs, especially in the genres of blues, rock, jazz, and even pop music. We tend to find many songs that can have this type of rhythm. So for us to properly emulate the grooves that we hear, we just need to be able to identify when a song is in swing and then play the song in that rhythm. So what is a swing rhythm anyway? Well, I have a short description of it for you, but I am really going to emphasize the sound of it, because we want to be able to identify the sound of it in the songs that we hear so we can very easily use it in our strumming or even playing melodies on the guitar. So swing is always in relation to another term, another type of rhythm that we call straight rhythms. And it's more likely than not that if you've been learning the guitar, if you use the guitar, most of the rhythms that you've been playing have been in what we call a straight feel. Okay, and a lot of songs, I would say more songs are written in a straight feel, unless you're in like the genre of blues and jazz, where maybe all or most of the songs are in a swing feel. So straight feel or straight rhythms tend to have more of an even groove, whereas swing rhythms have more of a galloping type of groove. And the way that I'll demonstrate this is I will give you a bunch of different strumming patterns, and I will play them first in a straight feel, and then I'll play those same strumming patterns in a swing feel, and hopefully you will be able to hear the difference and really internalize what they sound like. It will also help, and I will intentionally do this, I'll play the rhythms fairly slowly, because that will really help to emphasize that swing feel. So let's take a look at the first example. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the first example to really explain the difference between a rhythm that's in a straight feel versus one that is in a swing feel. So the first example is one that just alternates downs and ups. So in a straight feel, it will sound like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Or rather, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And if I were to play that same strumming pattern using a swing feel, it will sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So what is happening there in the swing version of it? The down beats have gotten longer, whereas the up beats have gotten shorter, and that really gives it the galloping quality or the kind of heartbeat sounding quality that we hear. And that's pretty much it. All that's left to do really is to internalize that sound. So we're going to do that by practicing some examples. But first, to kind of drive the sound of it a little bit more home for you, I'm going to continue to play that strumming pattern, and I'm going to play it in a straight feel. And then I'm going to switch to swing and switch back to straight and so on, so that you can really try to hear the difference between straight and swing. I don't necessarily expect you to practice along with this example I'm going to do, because if you are new to swing, it might be kind of hard to switch between swing and straight in the middle of a strumming pattern. But after this next part, I am going to give you a short workout that you can play along with. So here we go, alternating downs and ups in straight and then swing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2. Go into swing now. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Straight. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And 2 and 3 and swing. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. One more time. Straight. And 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and swing now. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So for this part of the lesson, I want you to practice along with me. I have a couple of strumming patterns that we can use, and what we're going to do is we're going to first play each strumming pattern in a straight feel, maybe just twice, so we can get the sound of it in our heads, but then we'll spend more time playing the strumming pattern in a swing feel so you can really internalize the feel or the sound of that rhythm. So the first example is the one we just talked about, the one that goes down, up, just alternating. I'm going to play them all using a G. Okay, so here we go. First example in a straight feel after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, that's just a reference. Let's get to the swing version of it now. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... The next strumming pattern is the most popular one you'll find on the internet. It's the one that goes down, down, up, down, up. So in a straight feel, it will sound like this after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And now in a swing feel, we get this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The next strumming pattern sounds rather boring and straight, but really interesting if we add a swing to it. So I'll play it for you first in swing. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And now let's try it in swing. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Here's our third and final example for this lesson. It sounds like this in a straight rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is down, down, up, down, up. Now let's play it in a swing feel after 4. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. In addition to this lesson, this weekend I'm going to be releasing a video that's going to be something of a workout video that's going to be focused on getting the hang of playing in swing. The format will be very similar to this one, but no talking. It's just going to be me going through a couple of examples for quite a few minutes. I'm first going to play it for a little while in straight, and then I'll play it in swing, and you can just practice along with that and really internalize that swing feel so that you can once again learn to identify it and apply it to your playing whenever you need it. In addition to that, as always, I have 2 resources that you can also find down in the description that will really help you with your overall strumming. The first one just goes through very briefly the techniques that are involved in strumming that will help you to become a bit more expressive in your playing. And the second one is a course that I came out with this year. It involves anything to do with strumming, rhythm, coming up with your own strumming pattern, techniques, dynamics, and so forth. So look forward to that. You have the workout video over the weekend, or if you wish, you can go down in the description and check out the resources that I have there. So that's all that there is to it really. All that's left to do is really apply it into your playing. This sort of feel, swing feel, could also be applied to melodies. So if you were to take Happy Birthday as an example, in a straight feel, it'll sound like. And if I were to add a swing to it, it could sound like this. Right? A subtle but very noticeable difference. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe, as it will help me to grow the channel. But until next time, goodbye.